In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent WhatsApp saving photo twice. So in case that's happening to you and your WhatsApp is saving your photos twice, here's how to fix it easily. First, inside WhatsApp, navigate to your Chats tab, which is down here to the left, and then in here, press those three little dots at the top right, okay? And when you press these, what will pop up is this menu, and in this menu, you want to press Settings. Then, as you can see, settings will open up and you want to navigate into storage and data, which says network usage and auto download. Click this and then you'll be directed to this screen over here, which is storage and data. You can see manage storage, network usage, etc. And down below you can see media auto download. Voice messages are always automatically downloaded. As you can see, you can't change this. However, there's options to change the when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, and when roaming. And what you want to do is tap on each and every single one. So first tap on roaming, and then when roaming, make sure nothing is selected, so unselect everything by just clicking these boxes, press OK, then click on when using mobile data, so the mobile data type, and then uncheck everything, press OK yet again, and then connected on Wi-Fi, when connected on Wi-Fi, uncheck everything, press OK, and that's it. So that's the fix, and it will prevent you from WhatsApp saving photos twice. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.